We're a tax finance solution. We help optimize and automate a lot of our customers across multiple industries. We've been huge as far as in the Microsoft community. Actually, we cut our teeth in this space, and it is something that both our team as well as Avalara has been very passionate about. This is a great opportunity to not only network with customers, but also network with various partners and ISVs and VARs. And at the same time, they've got a great theme around this, and it's always a fun party. Their involvement. They're constantly holding events. They're constantly basically giving people, as far as in the community, a chance to speak. The networking that brings to it. We're talking about local events as far as I'm based in Houston, but Houston, Dallas, Austin, New Orleans, not just on a national scale, but on a local and regional scale.